Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now by cutting power to isolate the problem. Turn the console off, hold the Xbox button until it dies, then remove batteries or the battery pack. This clears residual charge. Once done, inspect battery contacts for corrosion or flexibility. Clean with isopropyl on a cotton swab if needed. Next, plug a known good USB-C cable and connect the controller to the console or PC. This forces a wired input, which helps identify whether wireless or hardware buttons are at fault. Once wired, you should update the controller firmware. Use the Xbox Accessories app on console or Windows so the controller has the latest fixes. After updating, test buttons in the app's diagnostics or a simple game, making notes of any persistent dead or sticky inputs. If issues remain and you are comfortable with hardware, remove the rear screws and open the shell. Make sure to ground yourself. Then inspect the rubber membrane and PCB contacts for wear, debris, or misalignment, because these cause inconsistent button travel and response. Reassemble step by step. Replace any damaged rubber membrane or tactile switch, clean PCB pads with isopropyl, then reseat the flex cable and screws. When you're done, reinsert batteries and pair the controller wirelessly. Test every button in the Accessories app to confirm responsiveness. If a specific switch still fails, swapping that micro switch or the entire board fixes many issues. If this doesn't help, make sure to try a second controller or contact Microsoft support. Warranty or professional repair is the final fallback if hardware is defective.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.